And the short questions also each carries the 1 question. It is from the each unit. So these are the simple definitions and concepts they will ask. Previous question papers once you refer, so that you can analyze what are the questions, how many questions is asking in this unit. Next, introduction to the categorical data analysis. I can rushly I completed, but we have a time, so that once again I will recapitulate from the unit 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now coming to the now data analysis. Data analysis is the introduction to the categorical data. In that categorical data, you have introduction to categorical data. It is why categorical data is analyzed. The two things, it is the independence of the association of attributes. These three concepts, and first 7 and 8, I will recapitulate once again. We will discuss today. Now here, consistency of the data. It means that is accuracy. It is what is exactly. It is for example, 2 kgs of the rice means it is they will give that is 2 kgs only, not more than that. So that is comes to the consistency of the data. It is a correct data, correct the exact information I'm getting or not. That is comes to the such kind of the data is called as a consistency of the data. Now order of the classes, it is a which class frequency means it is a which is the interval I needed. For example, it is a some 1 crore people will be there. In that I want to be classify the different kind of the people. So that classification point of view, it is the order of the classes we can be divided. That is for example, it is some group of the people will be the one category and another group of the people will be category. This comes to the one order of the classes. And class frequencies, it comes to the class frequencies. Here, general introduction, if we say that is the classification of the categorical data, it is dealing with the only one attribute says the information of that attributes, that the only one information it deals that is comes to the, it is only one attribute information we will study. That is one of the classification here. We can divide the units of the population according to the attribute into the 2 are the only 2 mutually disjoint classes based on the presences of. It means that is 2 groups of the data I divided here. Such classification of the unit is called as a dichotomy. That dichotomy means it is we can be divided into the groups, so subgroups. So it is without joining of any classifications of the data. So it means that is mutually disjoint units. Mutually disjoint means it is a separated sets of the information I'm collecting. Some that is for example. I'm taking that is one group of the people and another group of the people, educated people and non-educated people. Like here, it is a classifier that is a dichotomy of the data. All are the people only. That is the attributes are the people. One attribute it is the people, but in that people it is bifurcated to the 2 points. But is a uneducated and educated. Both will be not be the mix up. It will be the 2 separate categories. That classification it is a separation is called as a dichotomy. In the dichotomy, it will be decided that is a categorical variables takes as the only 2 possible values. Says that is a 0 if it is attribute is a not present, and 1 is it present. It means that is educated if I consider it. It will be the educated people if I take it as a 1. It is uneducated, it will take the 0. So it is a solution point of view, whether it is accepted, it will be take the 1. It is a rejected, it will be take the 0. Here switch on and switch off also. Switch on means it is a light will be come into the lighting will come. That is a switch on, it will come to the lighting. It is a switch off means it is a lighting is off only, so that it will be decided that it is also 2 categories of the data, but it is we have only 2 available two values only. It is a 0 and 1. That is what values we can give to the categorical of the variables. So that is one of the important thing. Dichotomy classification, it leads to it is a Bernoulli distribution. It is a Bernoulli distribution based on that classifications of the data is they decided. If we are dealing with the much more, one attribute is a simultaneously, the units gets divided into the more than two categories. Here simultaneously here the one data, it will be divided into the classified into some many data also. But it's a simultaneous data observations only we can be classified, we can analyze. It is a very easy and comfortable. That it is one of the observation. If we consider the so for example, I consider the group of the individuals will be classified into the 4 different categories of the names. It is a 4 different categories of the names. It is I decided. So that is comes to the one of the classification. That is comes to the one of the class. It is a 4 parts I divided in that total entire population. It is comes to the one of the that classification also it can be divided into the one sub classification also divided into the sub classifications. So more than 2 distinct classes is called as a manifold classifications. It means that such a class the population is divided and into more than 2 distinct classes. More than 2 distinct classes is divided. It is called as a manifold classification. Dichotomy will be says that is a one unit of that classification happen. That is called as a dichotomy. It is a manifold classifications. It means that is a one classification is divided into the many classifications. Many different categories we can be divided. That is called as a manifold classifications. It means that it is a population we divide into the various categories. For example, if I check best example, in entire Indian population, caste, how many caste we have? It is a 10 or 15, 20, 25 caste also we have. That is a religion, only one religion. It is a religion. It comes to the one of that. We are the Hinduism. Now coming to the, it is a classifications means it is a, there it is a religions will be the 1 or 2 classifications we can take there. But it is a mini classifications, it will come to the caste category. It is comes to the our sociology and economic people, they will be studying that area of the classifications. It is called as it is a simply we remember one population is divided into the many class partitions, that is called as a manifold classifications. It is divided only 2 parts. If we divide, it is called as a dichotomy classification. In some situations we might be the concerned with the single attribute, but it may have that different sub-levels. Examples, again, the education of the group of individuals may be divided into the literature, who's studied up to the primary schools, those who set up to the upper primary schools levels. These are the 3 categories. Again, if it comes to those who have studied the high-level schools, high school levels, those who have come to the college levels, and it will come. Comes to the manifold classification. Manifold classification decides that is the many classifications will be the happen. That's all. Here, generally we use it as English alphabets A, B, etc. It is indicate that is the presence of the attribute or the qualitative characteristics with the Greek letters alpha, beta. We can be showing it. Here, sub classifications, if it is needed, it is we can take that is a B also. AB also alpha, beta. It will be the again classifications we may get that is a ABs. For example, if I take once you check it is in the notation form, English alphabets we use that is a AB, indicates the presence of attributes or qualitative characteristics. If we take the Greek letters alpha, beta, it indicates the absence of the attributes. That is one of the information what we have, that is AB and alpha, beta are the classification data information. Combination of the different letters indicated different categories of the classes. Thus, if we indicate that deafness with the A, if I given, dumbness is a, if I give the B. That is comes to the total people. How many classifications we have? AB classification. What is a dumb and deaf? So, who's both deaf and dumb? It is will be the AB is the indicate that is the people are the deaf but not dumb. So, similarly, alpha beta indicates the people who is neither deaf nor dumb. Neither deaf or nor dumb. That is called as a alpha beta. AB indicates that it is a deaf but not dumb. Deaf but not dumb. So this is a AB and alpha beta indicates. It is a A indicates and B indicates and alpha indicates and beta indicates. Such are the 4 classifications orders. We may get it here. If we check into the bottom, order of the classifications and class frequencies and ultimate class frequencies and fundamental set of the frequencies information we study in this. The above we studied that's the classifications of the data. It is a manifold, means it is a more than 2 sets we have, that is a manifold classification. It is a dichotomy, means it is only the 2 classifications we have. One is divided into the 2. Now it is order of the classifications. It comes to that. It is a total count is if I take that is a n. If a total is a relationship, so how many we have? N. Order of classification depends on the number of attributes. It is according to the we have that following that the steps we have. What is the n is a total number of units in the inquiry. Here total is a plus alpha plus beta. Here A plus alpha, it is a 1 category, and beta plus beta is a B plus beta 1 category. Now total alpha beta, if I take that, it is a AB equal alpha beta equal 26. That is I am taking here. Now it is a units of the inquiry, neither indicates as a presence or absence of any attribute. Thus it is a class of the order 0. Class of order is 0. Class of order 0 means it is the absence of any attribute. Next, it is comes to the in the single attribute. If it is alpha or A or alpha or beta, we have a classes of order 1. So here I am taking that is a single variable, so that A, alpha, beta and small beta. Therefore, it B and capital B, small beta. So it is a 4 other different classes is there. So that it is each order is the one only. In the 2 attributes, if we take that, it is a 4 classes we can get. What are that? It is a AB is a 1 possibility, A beta is a 1 possibility, alpha beta and alpha B. These are the second order and the 2 order attributes. 2 order attributes is a, we can divide it is a like this only. The number of objects of the individual observation, particular classes is called as the frequency of the classes. It means that it is a number of objects, so how many we have in individuals that belongs to the particular class. Here, for example, I'm taking that is a 4 order. It is how many we have that elements, it's a 4. Like it is a, if we take that is a, that all will be the denoted by the bracket of alpha beta, means it is the orders will be the frequency will be the defined. It is a alpha beta bracket is called 26, means that is a given group of there are the 26 individuals who are neither deaf nor dumb in the above example. So here if I take that is a 26 people I am taking in that individuals. In the all individuals, A and alpha and B and beta, that all will be, that is a alpha I am taking the one group and B beta I am taking the one group. So that here also half of will be the, it can be divided. It is how many we have there also at member. That is a total number is a, we can take it. It comes to the 26. Next, it is a another relationship. If I take A equal to, it is individual observation, A equal to AB plus A beta, AB plus A beta, and alpha if I take alpha B plus alpha beta, and B equal to AB plus alpha B, and beta equal to A beta plus alpha beta, and capital N equal to, it is a 2 order classification. If I take that, it is a capital AB, A beta plus alpha B and plus alpha B only. This is comes to the 4 relationships we can observe. So in our exam point of view, the questions he will ask the problem. Here he will ask that is a relationships. It is a capital N calculation, and as per the given order of the in that order of individuals in the each group, then it is a, we can identify it is either second order or first order, depends upon that. It is individual groups. That groups based on that we can be identify that it is a classification of the relationships of the frequencies. So total how many we have. Thus we have, that is a, on the basis of the 5th point we have that is a many problems we can discuss. Thus we can observe that we can be there always express the class class frequencies of the lower order in terms of the class frequencies of higher order. Lower order in terms of the class frequencies of the higher order. Next, here any attributes if I take simultaneously, the class frequencies of the highest order that will be also by the n symbols a single time at a time we can take. So that it is called as a ultimate class frequency. It is called as ultimate class frequency. If we have it, that is a n attributes, means it is a 2 power n frequency, we can get it here. Because of it is all attributes, it will be divided into the data into the two classifications. The total number of the class frequencies of all the order, if I take, that is a 3 power n. Orders is a 3. All orders means it is, if I take the 3 power n. We know the ultimate class frequencies, then all the remaining the frequencies can be expressed in terms of the them. That is a overall idea. Here, one thing, it is a 3 order frequencies minus 2 order frequencies also sometimes you may ask. That is called as a fundamental set of the frequencies. Fundamental set of the frequencies. So here, the two attributes, it is a consider the set of frequencies, capital N, AB and AB, which are the 2 whole square equal to 4. That is comes to the two attributes consideration, set of frequencies. Alpha, if I want, I can do that capital N minus A, and beta I want to do capital N minus B. And A beta means it is a capital A minus, it is a AB. A capital A minus AB, if we do that, it is we can get that is a A beta. Alpha beta means it is a capital B minus AB. Alpha B means capital N minus A minus B plus AB. These are the 4 formulas we should be remember for the set of fundamental set of the frequencies, so we can get by using this way. We generally use the class symbols itself as the operator. Thus, we write capital N equal to 1 into N and A equal to A into capital N, alpha equal to alpha into capital N. Capital A plus alpha equal to capital N, alpha equal to 1 minus A. Alpha beta equal to alpha beta into capital N, so 1 minus A into 1 minus B into N equal to 1 minus A minus B plus AB into capital N. These are the formulas we should be remember. Next, if I go for that is a 3 order classification, is alpha beta gamma equal to capital N minus bracket A minus capital A minus capital B minus capital C plus AB plus AC plus BC minus ABC. This is a already we have a formula A union B union C like that. Next classifications we can be get that is here A, AB, ABC are called as a positive class frequencies. Next, alpha beta, gamma are called as it is a negative class frequencies. Next, A beta and A alpha B gamma, comma A B gamma. These are called as contrary class frequencies. So these are the information we should be learn in that concept of order of the class and class frequency, ultimate class frequencies, and fundamental set of the frequencies. What is the order of the class? Order of the classes, it means that is it is divided to the groups. That is a relationships. It is how many we have that single A, B, alpha, beta. If we take that, it comes to the so one order. It is a 2 order means A, B, A beta, A, B, and A alpha, like that. It comes to the 2 order. So that is comes to the 2 order of the class. Next, frequencies, it comes to the how many elements are involved in that. So it is comes to the class frequencies. And the ultimate class frequency means it is we can take that is a total how many we have. Here, for example, n possibilities we have. Out of it is a 2 combinations. How many frequencies we get? 2 power n. 3 combinations is a 3 power n. These comes to the ultimate class frequencies. How many we can get? Next, it is a last point. If we come to the fundamental set of frequencies, it comes to the here in between how many we have. In between how many we have. Here are ultimate class frequencies. In between here. One class frequencies and another ultimate class frequencies. In between, how many we have that we can be out of which is it is a removals we can get that is A minus B, B minus C, such kind of observations we can take this. And some more simple relationships it is from that it is a fundamental set of frequencies are the here how the we can do the problems is a step 7 and step 8 will be the explained. I am taking that is a 7.4.1 is a one example. Here AB equal to 50 he gave and alpha B equal to 40. AB beta equal to 25 and alpha beta equal to 20. I want to calculate capital A. Capital A means it is a involved what I called it is a A involved frequencies. So alpha B, if I take that, here capital A I want, capital A I want. That is a frequency. It means the capital A equal to capital AB plus A beta. So that it is a AB already he gave the 50 plus A beta also he gave the 25. So that it is a 75. Alpha equal to alpha B plus alpha beta. It is a 40 plus 20 equal to 60. Capital B equal to AB plus alpha B equal to 50 plus 40 equal to how much? It is a B involved. B involved means alpha B will be there and AB will be there. So that is a 40 plus 50 plus 40 equal to 90. Beta equal to A beta plus alpha beta. Beta involved. So that it is a 25 plus 20 equal to 45. Capital N equal to how much? Capital A classifications of A and alphas. It will be total or B plus capital B beta. It is a total. We can do that. It is a 135. From the above, I got it. That is one of the example. Yes, second example, once you see here, how this classified. Now it comes to the here, capital N equal to 1000. If I take capital A equal to 300 and B equal to 600, AB equal to 100. Alpha equal to capital N minus A. So that 1000 minus 300, it is equal to 700. Beta equal to here capital N minus B. So that 1000 minus 600, it is a 400. A beta equal to how many A involved? So capital A minus A beta. AB, if I do that, it is A beta I can get. So that A minus AB equal to 300 minus 100, it is a 200. Alpha B equal to B minus AB. These formulas we discussed in the previously. 600 minus 100 equal to how much? 500. Alpha beta equal to, and capital N minus A, capital N minus A minus B plus AB. So that 1000 minus 300 minus 600 plus 100. So the 200. This is a values are called as a all frequency of the all classes, frequency of all classes of all orders, frequency of all classes of all orders. Means alpha, beta, and A beta, alpha B and alpha B. These are the frequencies. What is the first question? It comes to the here remaining of class frequencies of all orders, remaining class frequencies. It means that is the ultimate frequencies we have. Our remaining frequencies we are calculating. Here remaining frequencies we have. Remaining frequencies. Here also remaining frequencies we are calculating out of the class of all orders we have. Next, it is a 7.4.3. It comes to the, it is one of the problem. Theoretically, he gave. Once you read and get the result. So yeah, whether the what he has given the data we can be dump into the capital N. What is that? And K is how much, B is how much. It is how many classification 3. So that ABC and AB and BC and what he has given, that all the things we can be take it here. ABC has given. So from that it is a 7.4.3. What we can do here, simply you can check that it is in a survey information was obtained from 23713 individuals. Of these, 1618 were the employed and 2015 were the businessmen and 770 are the graduate engineers and 335 are the graduate engineers are employed. 428 of the graduate engineers are engaged in the business. 587 of the employed are also engaged in the business. There are the 156 individuals who are the engineers employed and are also the involved in the business. Obtain all ultimate class frequencies is asking. So here we have that is a how many attributes we have? 3. It is a B, and a C. So that it is A is a employment, B is a business, and C is a graduate engineers he gave. So that first is the total. If he already capital in, he gave the total. It is individuals are the 23713. That is capital in I'm taking. Next, capital A equal to how much? It is he mentioned that it is a employed. So that it is a 11618 and it is a business are 21015. C is a 770 are the graduate engineering graduates. AB equal to how much? He mentioned that it is employed are also the engaged in the business. So AB I am calculating. It is a means it is the employed and B means business. So that both means it is a 587. It's the AB. And BC means it is comes to the B is only the business maths and C is a graduate engineering. Both will be that we have that individuals. Well, common individuals for 428. So the graduate engineers are engaged in the business. Next, it comes to the here 335 of the graduate engineers are employed. It is a AC equal 335. And ABC mentioned that 156. So AB of gamma equal to, I'm going to identify that it is a ultimate frequencies I'm calculating. AB gamma equal to AB minus ABC. So that 587 minus 156 equal to 421. A beta C I want A beta C equal to AC minus ABC. That's it. Yes, sir. Frequencies alpha, beta, gamma, we can use any corners. So that here depends on that. It is a two frequency involved or one frequency involved. Both will be the, as per the formula, so we can be substitute and we can get the answers. AB gamma equal to AB minus ABC. So that 587 minus it is a 156. So that is a 421. A beta C equal to AC minus ABC. So that AC equal to how much it is a total 335 minus 156 equal to 179. Alpha BC equal to BC minus ABC. So that it is a BC is a 428 minus ABC is a 156. So 272. A beta gamma equal to A minus AB minus AC plus ABC. That is the formulas from the above. Here we can get that is AB gamma. And B is involved in middle, so that at the time B minus AB minus BC plus ABC. It means that is a B involved terms. All are involved terms. A is involved is above. Next, it is a C is involved. Alpha, beta, gamma equal to C minus AC minus BC plus ABC. Alpha, beta, gamma equal to capital N minus A minus B minus C plus AB plus AC plus BC minus ABC. These are the values we can be identified. These are called as a ultimate class frequencies. Ultimate class frequencies we obtain. Okay. Once again, you check how the problems he solved. Once I read the question and check it is a solution, we got it the same simplification point of view. It's a very easy and simple. It is most important in your exam point of view. Now coming to the second. So in the surveys, information was obtained from the 23713 individuals. So capital I am taking. Of these, 1618 were the employed, 2015 were the businessmen. And another is comes to the 770. So that values I am taking capital is individual attributes, what we has given, that is I am taking here. Next, coming to that, capital N equal to 23713 and A equal to 1618 and B equal to 2015, C equal to 770, AB equal to 587 and BC equal to 428 and AC equal to 335 and ABC equal to 156. AB gamma equal to AB minus ABC. So that it is a 587 minus 156 equal to 421. AB gamma, if I want that AB gamma, equal to AB gamma formula equal to how much? AB minus ABC. So that it is a clearly we can take that AB minus ABC. So it is a AB equal to 587 minus ABC equal to 156. So it is equal to 421. Next, ABC equal to AC minus ABC. So 335 minus 156 equal to 179. Alpha BC equal to, what is it? BC minus ABC. So that is a 428 minus 156. It is equal to, it is a, sorry, 272. And AB gamma equal to A minus AB minus AC plus ABC. Just now we discussed that is the formula. So here 1618 minus 587 minus 335 plus 156. Next, it comes to the alpha B gamma equal to, what is the B involved attributes? B minus AB minus BC plus ABC. So 2015 minus 587 minus 428 plus 156 equal to 1156. Alpha beta C equal to C minus AC minus BC plus ABC. So that it is a 770 minus 335 minus 428 plus 156 equal to 163. Alpha beta gamma equal to capital N minus A minus B minus C plus AB plus AC plus BC, plus BC minus ABC. This is a overall information. Consistency of the data. Class frequencies that have been or might have been observed in one and the same survey conform with one another and do not conflict in any way. Since the classification of the low order can be the expressed in terms of the ultimate class frequencies, a necessary and sufficient conditions for the consistency of the data. Next concept, it comes to the consistency of the data I'm talking about here. Previously, what is the concepts I discussed? It is the order of the class frequencies, ultimate class frequencies, and fundamental set of the frequencies. Just a general information and concept and its corresponding formulas and notations, everything I have given in this concept, 7.4. Under exam point of view, it is the problems are the most important. So here, according to the concept, it is we will do the problems. This is a overall information I have given into the in this order of the class and the class frequencies, ultimate class frequencies, and fundamental set of the frequencies. Next comes to the second concept comes to the consistency of the data. Here, consistency of the data. Class frequencies, how to identify. Previous session 7.4 we discussed that might have been the observed in one and the same survey is confirmed with the one another, and we do not conflict with the enemy. It means that it is a one data. It is for example, I'm taking the class frequencies of the lower order can be expressed in terms of the ultimate class frequencies, and condition for the consistency of the data is the ultimate class frequencies are non-negative. These two steps will be the follow. Then we can say that it is called as a having that is a data is having that is a consistency. What are the two steps? That is, I'm bifurcating in the necessary and sufficient. Class frequencies of the lower order can be expressed in terms of the ultimate class frequencies. Class frequencies of lower order can be expressed in terms of ultimate class frequencies. This is a necessary condition, mandatory. Sufficient, vice versa, it is a sufficient condition. Also, it should be satisfied. What is that? It is a ultimate frequencies are non-negative. All ultimate frequencies are non-negative. So here, lower order frequencies, the frequencies of lower frequencies, it can be expressed into the ultimate class frequencies. It is a sufficient data. The opposite is unnecessary. Sufficient condition, it goes to the ultimate frequencies are non-negative. These two conditions are the satisfied. The data is called as a consistency of the data. Now, the consistency of the data, its conditions must be satisfied. These are the conditions. What are the conditions? One by one, we should study. In the exam point of view, we will ask that is discuss the consistency of the data. At the time, these are the steps. So it is a necessary and sufficient condition, and its corresponding points you should be mentioned in the answer. In the case of single attribute, we need the A is greater than or equal to 0, alpha equal to capital N minus A greater than or equal to 0. This requires A is less than or equal to capital N. In the case of the two attributes, if you take that is the capital AB is greater than or equal to 0, A beta equal to A minus AB also greater than or equal to 0. It is a capital A is greater than or equal to AB. And alpha B equal to B minus AB also greater than or equal to 0. Capital A, B also it is greater than or equal to AB. Alpha beta is also N minus A minus B plus AB also greater than or equal to 0. And AB is greater than or equal to A plus B minus N. And ultimate is a 3-class coefficient. If I take all the ultimate frequencies, ABC greater than or equal to 0. AB gamma equal to AB minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. And ABC equal to AC minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Sometimes if you give the direct data points, at the time ABC is less than or equal to AB and ABC is less than or equal to AC. Similarly, alpha BC equal to BC minus ABC is greater than or equal to 0. Or ABC is clearly less than or equal to BC. Now, A beta gamma equal to A minus AB plus AC plus ABC also greater than or equal to 0. Here clearly I mentioned it is a non-negative condition, sufficient condition must be satisfied. Then it comes to the consistency second condition. So I'm checking that is a first order is a only single frequency, single class is a, I mentioned in the point 1. Two classes is a 2 classes order is 2 order classes is a 2 and 3 order classes is a, I'm checking into the 3. So A B gamma equal to A minus AB plus AC, A minus AC plus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Just all will be the greater than or equal to 0. Then we can decide it's a classification, so we can get it. Next, coming to the, this is a third class. It is a ABC greater than or equal to 0. AB gamma equal to AB minus ABC is greater than or equal to 0. And ABC means it is a AC minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Two classes and 2 order, second order, 2 order classes. It will be the ultimate class frequencies. It is, I am checking and it is greater than or equal to 0 exists. Then it is a condition is a fulfilling of the consistency of the data. That is I am checking here. The ABC means it is A beta C equal to AC minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Alpha BC equal to BC minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. AB gamma equal to A minus AB minus AC plus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Alpha B gamma equal to B minus AB minus BC plus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Alpha beta C equal to C minus AC minus BC plus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Alpha beta gamma equal to N minus capital N minus A minus B minus C plus AB plus AC plus BC minus ABC greater than or equal to 0. Combining 1 and 4, here we can get there is some more conditions. It is necessarily we can take into the these 4 node points also. Now, the consistency of the data and the problems. Consistency of the data, clearly I mentioned it is a necessary condition is clearly class frequency of the lower order can be expressed in terms of the ultimate class frequencies. And sufficient condition clearly mentioned the consistency of the data is that all the ultimate class frequencies are non-negative. So if I want a consistency, it is a class frequency of lower order can be expressed into the ultimate class frequencies. That is the first one. It is a necessary. Sufficient it goes to the, it is a consistency of the data is there. It will be the ultimate class frequencies are non-negative will be the exist. And it is a definition of the consistency. Then it is a conditions. It is a single order. At the time, it is a condition number 1 point. And the second order means a 0.2. All are the greater than or equal to 0. So 0.3 means a third order classifications. That will be the, we can check here. These are the all are greater than or equal to 0. Next, it is a, he is asking that is the problems. Your problems means it is a, an investigator is a reported The following the information, out of the 30 people contained, there are the 25 vegetarians, and 10 of them is like it is our boiled vegetables. The total number of the people who likes boiled vegetables was 20. It is a data is a consistency or not, I want to check it. So that in the examination, you will ask that is examine the consistency of the following the data. So what he has given total number of the people 30. So capital N equal to 30. There are the 25 vegetarians. So I'm taking the classifications individual A is I'm taking it is a 25. 10 of them is like the boiled vegetables. So B equal to boiled vegetables. So that it is a vegetables, it is a boiled is involved. So that it is the AB is a how much it is a 10. The total number of the people who like boiled vegetables only. So that B equal to 20. Now it is an individual data. What he has given, that is I am taking. Consistency means it is a all second orders are greater than or equal to or not. I am checking. So alpha B equal to B minus AB equal to how much 10? It is greater than or equal to 0. And A beta equal to. So A minus AB equal to 15. Alpha beta equal to N minus A minus AB plus AB. It is clearly we got it minus 4. Therefore, it is called this data is not a consistency. Data is not a consistency. So that with this data is that we cannot be used into our required necessities. That is a data consistency will be explained that whether the data can be used for particular observation of the project or not, it can be decided. Next, another example if I take here. Another example if I take. What is another example? Once you read. In that AB plus AC plus BC is greater than or equal to A plus B plus C minus N. If condition is passed, then it is a consistency. So I'm checking that AB equal to how much? 42. AC equal to 147. Total is 189 plus 86. 189 plus 86. So total how much? $42 plus 147. Now capital N equal to 1000 and A plus B plus C is how much? It is a 525 plus 312. It is clearly here 837. 837 plus 470. 837. It means that 12. 837. So yeah, 1215. 1215. 1215 is it greater than or equal to? Yes, condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. So it is a data is showing that is a consistency condition. But the observe that this is a 42 plus 86 plus 147 clearly less than or equal to 527 minus it is a from the above condition is failed. It is comparatively above one. It is so that it is above data is inconsistent. Simply we shall substitute in the AB plus AC plus BC greater than or equal to A plus B plus C minus N R naught. So it's failed. So that it is clearly inconsistency. This is our oral idea. Next, these all are the homework. It is we can do it. These are the simple same problems, similar problems we have. All problems you do here itself only. Today itself only you complete it. Okay. Okay. Anyway, it is a 7th unit completed, and next class we will go for the 8th unit. Anyway, we have a time now, so here we can discuss all individually slowly. Okay. We meet in the next class now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.